Hi guys, today I wanted to show you how I do the meal prep on every Sundays. Usually on Sundays I got all my groceries and I cut them for rest of the week. So all I need to do when I come back from work is just saute the onions and just put the vegetables in. So my curry or anything that I'm cooking would be done in like within 20-25 minutes. To what I did this time was I didn't go to the grocery store. I've used the Walmart delivery option. I thought that would be really easy and save a lot of time for us. And it's snowing outside. I mean, who wanted to drive when it's snowing, right? So I did a grocery delivery option, and I have everything that I needed for a full week, and some stuff should be enough for more than a week. I'm gonna show you how I did the meal prep and everything. Here is the stuff that I've got delivered from Walmart. I love these salads. I got 5 of them. That should cover me for the whole week. When I'm at work, I use them for my lunch. They're like $5 or something. It's a good portion, but I really like it. And the rest of the stuff that I got was some vegetables, fruits, and some eggs. And these are the bags that I got it from Amazon. These are like sealed bags. It comes with this thing that you can seal it. These are basically for meal prep. Like you can cut the veggies and put them in and seal it and put it in the fridge. They will stay really fresh. All the vegetables will stay fresh. I've been using it for a while. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it now. Okay, and let's just get started. The vegetables in this bag, it's like breathable bags. These are also from Amazon. These are really good. They keep the vegetables stay fresh. And this is kale. I usually use it in dal kind of a curry, or you can use it in salads or any kind. Dal is nothing but a lentil, so I mostly use it for the lentil curry. That's fine. just saw me prepping up the vegetables for the whole week. As I said before, the prepping up the veggies stuff have helped me a lot. It saved me a lot of time. All I do when I come back from the work in the evening is just, it only takes me like 20 to 25 minutes to finish the dinner that I wanted to cook, and we and the kids are done with the dinner by 7 or 7:30 the latest. The thing that I wanted to talk to you guys was the Walmart delivery option for the grocery. I've used the pickup option before, more than 3-4 times. It worked for me, but sometimes I'll be in and out. I'll be out within like 5 to 10 minutes, but there are some times where I've been sitting there for 20 to 30 minutes just for them to bring the grocery outside. When I was trying to do the pickup option today, I've noticed that they have this new delivery thing where they do have a delivery, but this thing is like, if you unlimited delivery per month, it's $12.99, and if you choose the year option, it's $98 plus tax. I think that is an excellent option to go if you have kids and you're working parents, and you, especially you live in the places where it snows a lot. I think that's a good option. For me, it's a fantastic option. I've already registered for the yearly thing. They also have a 15-day trial period that you can try and see if it works for you. I think it works for anybody. For me, saving time is important, and somebody is shopping for me and delivering the stuff to my door, and all I have to do is cook and do things. That's easy. I can do that. I think this video is helpful. Try the Walmart thing. They have a 15 days thing. They're not paying for me, guys. I'm just telling you what my experience is. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get the notifications whenever I post a new video. I'll come up with another fun, interesting video again. Until then, see you guys. Bye bye.